How to upload story on Instagram from PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can upload story on Insta from your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser and simply search for instagram.com. After you open up your Instagram, you can right click on your Instagram's page, then tap on this inspect button. After you tap on inspect, here you will find this button right here. So simply tap on it once and tap on it again and reload this entire page. After you reload the page, here you will find your Instagram's mobile app. Tap on this plus icon and you'll find the story option. So tap on story. And here now you will be able to choose for pictures. Choose whichever picture you want and then tap on open. From here, you can simply add this to your story. Tap on add to your story and it should start uploading. And after it's done, you're basically good to go. And that's how you can upload a story on Instagram from your Windows device or any other PC. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.